Welcome everyone. Welcome to career development. Today we are in day 4 in HTML. HTML is one of the big three languages for web technology. These three are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We already know it. And to become a front-end web developer, we must learn these three languages. Even if you want to become backend developer, we must learn these three languages too. And if you want to become full stack web developer, there is no alternative but learning these three languages. So I can say, whatever you become, web developer, software developer, web automation engineer, whatever, you have to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So if you want to become web specialist, web automation engineer, software engineer, web developer, whatever, you have to learn it. So since we have to learn it, we have to learn it well. All right. These courses are developed specially for the people who cannot afford boot camps. I told you in North America, simple boot camps may cost you $10,000 to $30,000. So expensive. And if you can afford, I will definitely recommend you to click on this link and join the bootcamp, and it will provide you $500 discounts if you use this link. And I have written a book on web development and potential dream career, and I discussed each and every everything, every skill you need to learn to become front-end web developer and land and entry-level positions. Go through the book if you have time. If you seriously want to learn, if you want to understand the whole concept, the book comes with Amazon audiobook too, and professional voice artists has gone through the book and with 100% correct American pronunciation. All right, definitely you will love it, and the cost is just 9.99 right now. Uh, to get the book, you have to subscribe here and put your first name and last name, and I will send you the link of the book and you can buy it, and the price is only 9.99. All right. uh, and one more thing before I start today's class. If you are visiting this YouTube channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video or new tutorial, so that you can get at least a notification. And feel free to make comments, suggestion, like and dislike, um, so that I can understand what I need to improve in this class. And definitely as usual, in every class or tutorial I speak very slow so that anyone can follow me, speaker or non-speaker, non-native speaker, so that everyone can follow me. And if you want to, if you think it is really too slow for you, I will suggest you to come here and click on um, Playback Speeds, and you can put it's normal or 125 or 1.5 or 1.75, even double, to save your time. Say for example, if this video is 30 minutes, if you put double, it will become 15 minutes. If it is 20 minutes, it will become just 10 minutes. If it is 10 minutes, it will become just 5 minutes if you put double. Right? So thus you can save your time, and also invest your time for more practicing. uh, Without further ado, let's go to git's version control. Okay, git version control. Just I want to exit from here. I just write exit and press enter, and I already exited. All right, and uh, what I can do, I can clear it, and uh, I'm inside Python underscore fun, but I want to create a new project uh, from the very beginning, so that you can uh, understand how we manage our project from the very beginning, how we can create folder, how we can create new file, and manage efficiently. I'm in my root folder, so I have to go to my desktop first, okay, and press enter. And we can see we are now on my desktop. Then I can create a new folder, and I can say web dev fundamentals, okay. And let's see what I have on my desktop. I have a lot of folders, and we just created web dev fundamentals, okay. And we have to access it. So how we can do it? The command to change folder is cd, means change directory, directory means folder, and I can say web web dev web web dev fundamentals fun, and press tab button, press enter, and we are inside web underscore fun. And now we can create files using version control, git version control, as well as just manually we can click on new file icons and new folder icons uh, manually, and we can create files and folders manually too. I suggest you to practice, use git version control to create folders and files. It will become more quicker, more quick, and you will become more efficient, and definitely your team leads will appreciate it. Okay, so I just make directory and css folder. I want to create another folder, and that is assets, okay. And I create a new file that is index.html, and to create new file, the command is touch means create a new file. All right, we are almost done, and just I want to open a code editor, and name of the code editor is code Visual Studio Code. In brief, it is set code, then space dot, press enter, and it will open a code editor. Wonderful, wonderful. Here are our files and folders. Okay, I want to create new css file manually, so I have to first click here, and when the arrow is down, then click on this file new file icon, and just say style dot css. All right, wonderful. And here is HTML file. Okay, everything is ready and we can start coding now. All right. Now we already know how to start writing HTML codes, right? We can start our boilerplates with HTML colon 5, okay, colon 5, and press enter. What happened? Sometimes it happens. HTML colon 5, enter. And we are going to learn today HTML styles, right? Styles, okay. What's wrong? Now, whatever we write, we have to write inside the body element or body tag, okay? And always we have to indent. I select, then press tab button and it will be indented, okay? Then inside the body, I just want to write h1 tag. Okay, actually we can use several h1 tags if we want. Okay, and I can say hello, it is crimson. Okay, crimson color. uh, it is blue, say for example, and it is purple, and it is yellow. Okay, so these are HTML elements. Okay, it can be a HTML h2 h2 tag, and it can be 3. All right, remember in a page, h1 tag will be only one. This is code of convention rule, you have to follow it. Then right button, click and open with live server, and let's check what happens. We see HTML styles. This is title, and hello, it is crimson, it is blue, purple, yellow. Yellow. Okay, yellow spelling is mistaken. All right, now the HTML style attributes is used to add styles to an element, to any element, such as color, font, size, and many more. Okay, how we can do it? This is HTML element. So what I can do, I can just type here style, and inside the HTML elements, I can style the way I want. Okay, so what is this? This style is telling that I'm going to style this line. Okay, that is why it is called inline css also. And I want background color, or I can say just background, still it will be working. And I want it is to be crimson. Okay, and I can just copy. Okay, and just paste here. Okay, come on, I have to copy is command C, and I can paste here with command V. Okay, and here I want background color to be blue. Okay, and here I want background color to be purple. Purple, okay. And here I want background color to be yellow. Wonderful. Yellow. Now we can check our web page, and here it is. Wonderful. So how we did it? We did it without connecting the CSS file, just using HTML elements. And inside the HTML opening tag, we put style attribute, okay? And we put value. What is this actually? Can you remember what did I say in the last class? I said this is declaration block, and in the declaration block, dp declaration block, db declaration, and inside the declaration block, what do we have? We have css properties and a colon. Then at the right side of the colon, up to the colon, we have value, okay? Properties and value. This is properties, okay? This is value. All right. Very simple, right? Okay, fine. I hope uh, you can practice it well. And when you practice, actually, you learn. Okay. Then what you can do if you want to use another properties, just semicolon, and you can say color is white, say for example, and now you can check the color become white. All these are black, but this one is white because we want it to become white. Okay, so this is HTML style. Remember HTML styles. Thus we can style, and in CSS we call it inline CSS. All right. I hope you understand. And actually, we can keep practicing if you want. Setting the style of an HTML element can be done with the style attribute. This is style attribute, okay? Style attribute. And all right, let's check back our web page, and you see our text are on left. Say for example, I want this text to be at the center. What I can do, I can just say which one, this one, say for example, I can say semicolon and align text align, okay, center. I can say right, I can say left, and thus we can move our texts center, right, left, okay. And say for example, I want this font size to be bigger than this. How I can do it? I can just go here and say semicolon and say font size, okay, font size, say for 50 pixel. I hope it will be much bigger than each. Yeah, it is. Okay, fine. We are almost done. And say, for example, I want font family to be different. This one, I want it different than all other. So how I can do it? I can say semicolon font family. Okay, font family is, I can choose any one from here. Okay, Courier. Okay, Courier. I choose Courier. Then let's go back and we see it has become really different than this. Let me make it bigger and see clearly how I can make it bigger. I can say font size. Size is 30 pixel. Usually by default font size is 18 pixel. All right, and it has become bigger. Okay, definitely I want it to be 40 pixel. Font size 40. Definitely it has become much bigger than before. Yes, wonderful. Okay, so we can summarize the chapter or lesson. We use style, we use style, we use style attributes. Remember, whenever we find is equal to sign, on the left is always attributes and on the right is always attribute value. Okay. But here we see this is declaration block and background is property and blue is value, property value, property value. All right, so that's all for today. If you are watching this video tutorial for the first time, visiting this YouTube channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get always a notification. Thank you so much. And down the video, I will leave some notes and information. Don't forget to read them, and definitely I will recommend you to buy a book on front end web development, and link is down the below of this video. Okay, take care.